Hi, my name is May.
And my name is Elizabeth, and we are from Period A of Digital Media Leadership.
Hi, my name is Wissam.
And my name is Ibrahim, and we are from Period 6.
Hi, my name is Kaylee.
And my name is Ariana, and we are from Period 7.
Welcome to the weekly news.
Welcome to the weekly news.
Welcome to the weekly news.
Today is Friday, September 9th.
This is the first episode of Season 2 of the weekly news.
Last year was a good start, but it was difficult to create a brand new student news show during such a crazy school year.
Yeah, last year was a mess, wasn't it?
It sure was, so this season is going to be even better.
We're going to bring you announcements, interviews, upcoming events, helpful information about things you want to hear about, and more.
And of course, we're bringing back the weekly news raffles where you can get a chance to win a prize.
Just by participating in the advisory class activity that goes along with each episode. Today is a special Friday episode because it's the first week, but all episodes in the future will be watched every Wednesday morning in our advisory classes.
We're excited about a brand new year, and we hope you are too.
Now let's get started with our first announcement about our principal, Miss Guertin-Davis. Right before the school started, she gave birth to a beautiful, healthy baby boy.
While she's out on maternity leave, Mr. Taos will be our intern principal until she returns.
Guess what?
What?
Someone else had a baby too.
Who?
Miss Dean just had her baby girl.
Aw, so cute.
While Miss Dean is out, she will have a long-term substitute named Miss Hayes.
Congratulations on Miss Guertin-Davis and Miss Dean. We are so happy for both.
Our next announcement is about AVID Binders.
All students can purchase a binder with all the school supplies they need just for $10.
Please go to our office to buy your binder from one of our secretaries.
If your family doesn't have money for school supplies, then please tell your advisory teacher or our counselor. They will make sure you can get what you need for school.
Speaking of our counselors, we have 3 new counselors this year.
Yes, we do. Ms. Orozco is the counselor for students with the last names A through G.
Mr. Thompson is the counselor for students with last names H through O.
And Mrs. Bynum is the counselor for students with the last names P through Z.
If you need to talk with your counselor, there will be multiple ways to schedule a meeting with them, including scanning a QR code with your iPad.
We will find out more on Monday and report back to you with more information in our next episode.
Our next announcement is about ParentSquare.
ParentSquare is new this year. This is the way our teachers and staff members will communicate with the family.
Last year we used Remind, but from now on we will use ParentSquare.
It's a great improvement that translating messages with other languages very easily.
For more information, go to hbleehawks.com to learn many other great things about ParentSquare.
Our last announcement is about the event coming up here at school.
The HBLE Open House will be on Thursday, September 22nd from 5:30 to 7 p.m.
It'll be an in-person meet and greet event where families can meet teachers and staff to get to know the school better.
More information about HBLE Open House coming soon.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube so you can see what happened at HBLE. Thanks for watching the weekly news.
Hi, my name is Kaylee.
No, you don't have to go all the way back to the beginning.
Oh my goodness.
Now let's get started with our first announcement. Now let's get started with our first announcement.
Don't laugh. You're the one that makes us laugh.
Okay.
I know you will.
Don't look at her.
No, look at there, but don't laugh. Look there, but don't laugh. First week, but all episodes in the future will be watched every... Bro.
Welcome to the weekly news, and Let's get started with
Okay, let's pause right there. Here's some giggles behind. Okay, so please be quiet. What do you do?